Hello and welcome to VCCTV. This is Joseph Rai. After months of speculation, e-commerce firm Snapdeal has found a buyer for its digital payment arm, FreeCharge, in private sector lender Axis Bank. Now, the sale of FreeCharge comes even as Snapdeal itself is reportedly being bought by its larger rival, Flipkart. To get more perspective on the FreeCharge Axis Bank deal and to understand what it means for Snapdeal, we have with us a senior correspondent, Aarti Singh. So Axis Bank has agreed to acquire FreeCharge for 385 crore rupees. And Kunal Bell sounded very victorious on Twitter yesterday. But is it the best deal that Snapdeal could have got for FreeCharge at this point in time, given there were other players in the fray to acquire FreeCharge?
It's a best deal or not, it's really hard to say. Of course, it's not a best deal because FreeCharge got sold for just $60 million, which is 15% of what Snapdeal bought it for in 2015. But Kunal Behel sounding victorious, he had to. He had no other choice, but he had to, sound victorious because, there were several names in the market that emerged as a taker for FreeCharge from, companies like Paytm to MobiKwik to PayPal to Amazon to Airtel Money. Name any digital payments firm in the country and they were all in talks, or they were said to be in talks with FreeCharge to buy. In fact, none of the deal happened. So Axis Bank ultimately buying FreeCharge is actually victorious, for Snapdeal and the entire team of Snapdeal and FreeCharge. This deal also marks the stunning decline of FreeCharge, the digital payments company, even more than what its parent firm Snapdeal is going through, because they are also struggling at a lot of fronts, right? So, first of all, like when we talk about 2016, last year the company was really trying hard to raise funds at, as high as $1 billion valuation for FreeCharge, but, I think that didn't work out, and hence they put FreeCharge on sale.
So whilst Snapdeal has been the focus of this story, it also shows that a traditional bank, a private sector lender, getting into the booming fintech sector. So what are the benefits that Axis Bank is going to take away from this deal?
Without any doubt, even after a dismal fate, FreeCharge still remains a popular brand in the country, no matter what, after, Paytm and MobiKwik. So these are the three, popular brand in the digital payment space in the country. So and they have got what they claim to have around 50 million user base, around 2 lakh merchants on board, and they have got a good strong tech team. In fact, the 200 member team at FreeCharge will be joining Axis Bank, and I think Axis Bank has decided to run FreeCharge as a separate entity. So by acquiring FreeCharge, Axis Bank will get access to a strong user base, and moreover the mobile user base, because FreeCharge claims that 90% of their transactions happen through mobile app, and that would really help Axis Bank bolster its digital journey going forward. Several banks in the country have been pushing their digital journey ever since this demonetization happened. So of course the FreeCharge acquisition is in line with Axis Bank's strategy to boost its digital journey going forward.
Thank you so much, Aarti, for those insights. So FreeCharge has eventually found a buyer which is good for the digital economy, and now all eyes are on the Snapdeal Flipkart deal. That's all we have in this edition of VCCTV. Thank you for watching.